Let me show you how quick and easy it is to rock this kinky curly neck length 5x5 undetectable lace wig from LuvMe Hair. So I did get 2 wigs from LuvMe Hair, so stay tuned for video 2. So all of the units come with this cute purple bag, a pamphlet with instructions on care for the unit, and then it also comes with a bag of goodies. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video because this unit is very beginner friendly. So again, this unit does come with the undetectable lace. It also comes with a strap, adjustable band, 2 combs on the sides, and a comb in the back. So I've already applied my foundation to the wig cap, and we are going to install this unit, starting with the band in the back. So this unit did come pre-parted with a side part, but it is a 5x5, so you can change it to a middle part if you like. And for styling, I am going in with the Set Curl Defining Mousse from Miche Beauty. And here are the final results, and I am absolutely obsessed with this unit. Let me know what you think in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. And make sure you stay tuned for part 2.